Hello, welcome back to my embroidery studio. Today we're going to look at the 9th freebie. Can't believe it's been over a week. I'm just going to press it. It's been stitched out. This is only going to be a short tutorial today. I thought I'd talk to you about some of the elements in the design. Right. As you can see, these are the buttonholes. And for the buttonholes, I've taken half of one of the flowers and used that as the top and the bottom. And we've also got these lovely, rich, quite pronounced French knots back again, making a casing around the buttonholes. I decided on this stitch out to do this little section in the same colour as the leaves, which gives a slightly different look. And I'd just like to point out that these gold centres, in some cases you can go over them a second time and make them a little bit more pronounced, or you can put some crystals on. Let me show you. Hot fix crystals and pearls come in many sizes. These are the little delicate pearl ones, and those are, I think they're 10SS, but they do go smaller. Hot fix crystals and pearls come in many sizes. These are the little delicate pearl ones, and those are, I think they're 10SS, but they do go smaller. This colour is not applicable for this design, but you can see how tiny those are. They do stick better if you don't do the middle. Obviously, if you've got a middle and it's slightly pronounced, then I haven't got my gun out today, but I have other videos on the channel which show you how to attach them, and it's very simple, but you do need a special tool to go to do it successfully. Right, I'm just going to tip those off. Buttonholes are beautiful. They're quite good just on their own. You don't necessarily have to cut them, but let me show you what happens when you do. I tend to use a seam ripper for this, and I don't know why I do it on the back. And I tend to start from one end, go to the centre, never going the whole way, because sometimes if you poke too hard, it can suddenly zoom ahead of you. Like any cutting. Oops, see, that one nearly went flying. Let's see if this one wants to release now. Ah, there we are. Sometimes you need to do a little bit of tidying up on the back. Just make sure you have no threads. Now, I just wanted to show you something else on here. This here is actually just a loose thread. Where the silk dupion has been woven, there's probably a join of two bits of thread there, and you you do get these little, what I would call flaws, they don't bother me. I think it adds all to the beauty of them, makes them look more natural. I'm going to turn that over and press it again. As you know, when I press, I really press hard. And we should be able to see an impression of those French knots and the buttonhole. There we are. You can see them there. Now, I'm sure you've seen before what I like doing. This is my, it's called a purple fang. But this one's turquoise. You can thread lace through. Buttonholes that have been cut. Obviously, you don't want the lace to be too wide, and I found this one here. This is, I mean, there's no reason why you can't put ribbon on here. I just think lace will be add to the delicate look of this. Now, I've had a few suggestions for names for these designs. Now, that one doesn't want to sit properly. Could be that I've not cut it sufficiently. Oh, that's better. So you don't want to find ribbon that's too wide. I'm sorry, the camera keeps moving. Well, I'm not in the right place, let's be honest. Right, so that's the lace threaded through, and obviously, can you imagine a panel of these with the lace coming out, overlapping, and a nice border with perhaps some purple, or picking out one of these colours and doing some bias piping down the side, and that will make a lovely insert on a cushion, on lots of things. So when you join two of these together, I would just put the vine bits here. Just, you can have a gap. I don't think you want to overlap them, otherwise this purple flower here will get too near to each other. But no, doesn't that look lovely? And I think it's looks particularly lovely on this lovely buttery gold silk dupion. I hope you are finding that these daily tutorials helpful. In all honesty, I'm not quite sure how many there'll be. I'm trying to think of something for each freebie as it's released. So let's see how we go on that one. Please leave a comment as to what you would insert through your buttonholes if you're going to cut them. I hope you enjoy this, and hope you've seen the other videos and that they've helped give you ideas as to how to use these designs, what projects to consider for them. So if you are not a member of the Graceful Embroidery Group Forum, you won't be able to download these free designs. They haven't got a name. I'm asking for names, and I've had a couple of suggestions, but I need some more. I have more or less finished 4 other sets to complement these ones, which are for the 4x4 hoop, and I'm hoping that they'll be released later this year. So I need names and ideas to what to call them. There are still certain elements within these designs which you've not seen yet, so you may want to hold off for a little while. So yesterday was a long video and today's a short one, and I hope you found that useful. If you've not subscribed to this channel, it'd be great if you do, and you hit the little bell and you'll get notification each time I upload a new video. Please hit the like button, and which helps other people find graceful embroidery, helps them find these designs too. Thank you very much for watching, and if you've got any questions, then do please email me, And don't forget that while you're getting all these freebies, all my designs at Graceful Embroidery are in the sale at 75% off. So lots of reasons for taking part in this birthday event. Until next time, happy embroidering. Bye for now.